If you know English, French, or German, you probably know lots of Russian nouns which were borrowed from that languages with root man. But the problem is phonetics. It's a little bit difficult to predict because mainly there were two ways to borrow such words. First, in 19th, 20th century, from not from directly from English, but from English through German and French. Such words were borrowed with original phonetics, so we use e over there. For example, there used to be a word cabman, and in Russian it was cabman. So we preserved this e in man, but now we don't use it. This word also, for example, gentleman, in Russian gentleman, we borrowed with e, but now in most regions we use ye over there. So now it sounds like gentleman. Mostly, in some regions we preserved gentleman, but still. And the second way was from directly from English. We borrowed such words in 20th century, and the phonetics was transformed. So from e to ye. So for example, sportsman, now we have in Russian sportsmen. So not opened e, but closed ye, sportsmen. But now, when we borrow such words, it can be different. Mostly, I would say now we borrowed and don't transform e to ye. For example, showman, we also have showman. Yachtsman, yachtsman. So we just preserve original phonetic with e, but it also depends. I can't say that there is such like system which you can follow and understand that it would be e or ye. Mostly dependent on the language where it was borrowed, the history from French, German, or from English, and like now most of the words which we borrow keep e. And did you have some problems with these words? For example, if you practiced Russian and used sportsman instead of sportsmen?